Have you ever wondered why chopping a simple onion can make your eyes water like you're crying? The answer is surprisingly dramatic. When you cut an onion, you break open its cells. This releases sulfur-containing chemicals that react in the air and form an irritating gas. Here's a useful trick. Chilling an onion before cutting it can slow down the chemical reaction and reduce the amount of irritating gas released. So every time onions make you cry, you're actually witnessing a plant's natural defense system, and your eyes fighting back.